What's up, you guys? My name is Spencer Dunlap. I am a body surf instructor here at Bodhi Surf Yoga in Bahia Uvita, Costa Rica. And today we're going to show you how to body surf green waves. In our last video in the body surf series, we showed you how to catch whitewater waves in shallow water and ride those waves in the streamline position. Today we're going to be focusing on swimming all the way out through the impact zone using swim fins and handplane, and then ultimately catching and riding your first green waves. Enjoy! Standing in thigh-deep water, keep your eyes on the horizon and look for a big wave breaking far away from you. By the time the wave gets to you, it should be a fast-moving wall of whitewater. Once you identify a good ledge of whitewater approaching, turn toward the shore and continue to watch the wave over your shoulder. Just before the wall of whitewater hits your backside, bring your chest down to the water and swing your arms out in front of you as you gently launch yourself out in front of the oncoming wave. The goal is to keep your entire body flat without sinking or diving so that you are skimming the surface of the water as you ride. Once you have mastered the streamline position with nothing but your body, you can head back to the beach and grab a pair of swim fins and maybe even a handplane. Swim fins are an essential piece of equipment when swimming out past the surf zone, as they elongate the foot and provide you with more power when treading water and kicking into breaking waves. As you get more comfortable navigating the shallow water zone with fins, you can experiment with swimming out a little deeper and kicking into waves rather than launching into them from your feet. This is where the handplane can be a helpful tool for learning how to kick properly. When it comes to learning how to body surf green waves, there's no better tool than the Grom Soft Top Handboard made by Slide Handboards. You will have to duck dive under the waves coming at you by shifting your weight forward and sinking the board underwater. Make sure to bring your butt up to the surface and then dive straight down, getting as deep as you can to escape the impact of the breaking wave above you. Once you make it out past the impact zone, you can rest by floating on your back. Then continue to tread water and wait for a surfable green wave to arrive. Once you identify a good wave approaching, reach the handplane out in front of you with one arm. Kick on your side and continue watching the wave over your shoulder. Allow the wave to pick you up and then kick hard down the face and extend your body into the streamline position as you ride to the beach. Once you figure out how to determine rights versus lefts, you can practice gliding across the wave face rather than riding straight to the beach. Make sure to push down on the handplane so you can lift your chest and head higher out of the water. This allows you to look in the direction you want to go, either right or left, and guide the handboard across the face of the wave to lengthen your ride. When swimming out to the green wave zone without a handboard, you can use a head-up freestyle stroke, breaststroke, or sidestroke. Make sure to keep your eyes on the horizon while you swim out so you can avoid getting pummeled by the oncoming waves. Just before the wave gets to you, practice swimming down as deep as you can to escape the breaking wave's energy. The key to catching green waves without a handplane is to focus on timing. Therefore, try not to waste too much energy swimming for the wave. As the wave approaches, you can kick yourself into position using a side stroke with one arm extended out in front of you. Then, as the wave comes behind you and starts to pick you up, take a couple hard freestyle strokes down the face of the wave. Eventually, you will want to practice swimming into the wave and riding across the face rather than straight to the beach. Make sure to angle your body in the direction you want to go and plane off your lead hand while kicking hard into the wave with your fins. Don't forget to smile and enjoy the ride.